currently live on my YouTube, and yeah, I'm holding that back, and you'll see my entry point. Like you see when I give up my signal, go have a look at my YouTube at how I give up my signal right now. So if you click the link on my bio, uh, go to the YouTube, you should see a YouTube option, or just click the link. I can't teach you how to trade CPI for free, Tonga man. Like I don't teach for free. I have free signals though, and you see, for me, my signal group is more of like listen to what I'm saying. You're also gonna improve. That's like how it is, because I basically speak all the time in the VIP group, and I tell them all the time, do this, do that. Yesterday we didn't do well. We only did well later on at night. The day started off with a nice sell, if you remember properly. Yesterday we started off with a sell on the US30. We made profits on that, and I was gonna go fix my phone, guys. The streaming phone, the one that I'm using here. Um, I was gonna go fix it yesterday, and I was very disappointed with the service that I got from this guy. And he's quite big here on TikTok too, so just very fucking disappointed with the service. Like, if you guys know, this phone is always here. Like where you see it, like that's where it is, and that's where I stream with the phone. This is where I stream every single day. And so I fixed my screen with him beginning of this year and April 29th. So now my screen acted up. I haven't dropped this phone, and he said that he's not gonna fix my screen because he assumes that I dropped it. But the screen is not chipped. Nothing is wrong with the phone. Um, just has the screen problem that it's showing different colors on the screen. So yeah, highly don't. I don't advise you to go there if you wanna fix your phone, because they'll sell you a rip-off screen, and then when the screen doesn't perform to its whatever shit, then yeah, you don't get your services done properly. But then yeah, guys, fuck that shit. I'm not here to speak about my phone. We're here to trade US30, right? So the link is on my bio. Guys, remember this is how you trade with me. You click the link on my bio, you join the community channel. There's a community channel on my bio, a link on my bio for Telegram. Once you click that link, you're gonna gain access into my channel, where you're gonna be able to get all my updates and everything. Excuse me. I need to go make coffee. Oh God. But yeah, guys, I'm trading US30. I'm in profit right now. The entry point is long ago. Do you have any questions? Because I feel like this is an opportunity for you guys to just ask any questions. My broker is markets.com, guys, by the way. Um, I'm a partner with the company, and I've been trading with them now for 2 months, and I've never had a problem so far. Uh, so yeah, any questions? If you got any questions, guys, it's all up to you to ask, and so that I can help you. We we died on NFP last week. We decided to buy gold. I mean, we decided to buy what's this? No, gold did go up. We decided to buy US30. US30 continued its direction for sell. So we took a loss on that sell. I mean, on that sell, yeah, because we wanted to buy and we lost because the market went down for sells. And we later on just jumped in the what's this? What you call this? The gold. So we made a little bit of money on Friday. Monday was a good day, if you remember, if you're in my VIP group. Then yesterday was a normal day. We had a win in the morning, a loss in the afternoon, and a win at night. So not bad for yesterday. And today we just started off with the signal, and it's already winning. So already today, first signal is a win. So yeah. Any questions, guys? Sometimes it's hard for me to start topics because I don't know what you guys want to know or what you guys want to talk about. But I can't speak about pairs or what pair I'm trading, or if you want me to check a pair for you, I can't do that. But yeah, guys, I provide free signals. In that signal group, I speak to you. Where you from? I need help. I don't know how to scalp. Um, Scalping is also a thing that anybody can do. I'm from Durban, brother. KwaZulu Natal. I'm not sure where you're based. But yeah, scalping is a skill that you can apply, especially in the morning. I prefer scalping now, and after 9 o'clock at night. So the last 2 hours, 10 and 11, I like scalping those hours and this morning session right now. I'm from Durban, my brother. But yeah, guys, my yo, bro, so far I'm in Pretoria. I don't want to use so much signal. So I'm glad that you understand that, my brother. Like it's you see, when you take signals, you basically just don't have. Um, it also goes with confidence, but it also goes with confirmation because there are people who actually take signals and they fall in life. Um, so yeah, I totally understand what you're doing, and like I think it will be better for you to have a better understanding of what you're doing, understand your scalping technique that you want to discover. Once you understand your scalping technique, then yeah, you can start reinvesting in yourself. Maybe I don't know, but guys, everybody has their own way of trading. You see me, I trade the 1 hour. When I tell people that I trade 1 hour US30, they're like, you have money. And I'm like, no, it's not like that. It's just the way I trade. It's just that I target to make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever. I don't try to make more than what I don't have right now. So, um, yeah. But then, yeah, guys, we are doing well though in the signal group so far. I gave out the buy. Everybody should be in profit. Like I said, if you want to see my screen, what is lesbian in Afrikaans? Come on, Timothy, I don't know what is lesbian in Afrikaans. I can only praat by Afrikaans, my bro. I can only praat a biggie van Afrikaans. Is a cook sister. Son, the link is on the bio. The link is on the bio. The link is on the bio. And just join the community group. Then once you join the community group, I will send you a personal message. So when I send you that personal message, that's the message that you have to respond to in order for me to help you. So you register and you find your account. That's it. But if you stop trading with my broker, then I remove you. You're too serious. So I thought I'd drop a joke. Timothy, you're saying that I'm too serious. I get that a lot, eh? I get that a lot, Timothy. Thanks, man. Thanks for that joke. I needed that smile in the morning. Ah, but then yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm holding a buy right now. Uh, thank you, son, and thank you, my brother. But trust me, I'm not a perfect trader. I also make my mistakes. Okay, so yeah. So, but everything is transparent with me. Trust me. I'm gonna pick up your call, even if I make you blow your account. I will pick up your call. Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, yeah, I understand. I'm not gonna ignore you because I know what it's like to buy signals. You can't even talk to the person you're buying signals from. It's so funny how they have your money. It's so funny how they don't respond. So I appreciate that you understand that, son, because yeah, I've had a lot of difficulties with clients who say they know everything. They take a trade with full margin. Who, because I don't like, guys. Trust me, I don't agree on that full margin thing. Okay, delighted demo. I'm no longer allowing uh guests or whatever host whatever because you guys. I don't know if it's you guys or who it is, but someone thought they were smart enough that I allowed them in my life, and then they start playing a match. I don't know what's a match where the screen is blue this side, it's green, it's red the other side. Guys, follow, 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 guys. And this guy's, and then this guy is coming in my life and he's washing dishes. He's like, hey, yeah, my bro. And I'm talking to him and he's ignoring me. So he's probably trying to gain followers and stuff like that. So I quickly closed the live. So that's why I'm never going to do a multi guest again. I have to do a multi guest only with my people that follow me. So if you follow me and I know you and I've talked to you, that's the only way I'll allow you to join my multi guest. Other than that, I don't trust people anymore. The first time I did it, that's the first experience I had. Seeing a guy washing dishes. telling me like the screen. I don't know. Something called the match here on YouTube. Yeah, I mean on TikTok. So yeah, guys, I'm not here to speak about that though. We are talking about US30. We took a signal for buy in the VIP group this morning, 2 o'clock, no, 3 o'clock. I saw the signal. I've been watching Narcos uh, for the second time. I'm on the first season again, so I'm just keeping myself busy so that sometimes when you take a trade, it's it's almost like it's almost like a psychological thing because if you watch it, because now if you watch it, you see all the bad and the good of the trade. So you see the trade going to negative, you see the trade going to positive. But if you keep yourself busy for that time frame, so if you're trading an hour time frame and you entered your trade at, you see now it's about 9 minutes to 5 o'clock, okay? So since we're 9 minutes to 5 o'clock, we probably like gonna take a trade. You take your trade, whatever, you enter your trade. Then you know that you can only do your next checkup when after an hour, you know. So after an hour, you go and check your what your screen, see if you're doing well or not. So what I usually do is that since I do everything at home where I grew up, I usually have so I have two setups. There's a setup that I use here for myself. There's a setup that my brother uses in his room. My brother's an architect, by the way. So he wakes up Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, he works at home. So there's a space over here in the center of the house. We all use that space. My mom uses it, my brother uses it. Yeah, everybody uses it. So, but since I'm always home and I do everything home, so I use the space Monday, Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I might be moving that side for the first time in a while. And Fridays, you'll always see me there. And my mom is always there at night. That's where she does marking of her papers. My mom is a life science teacher. So yeah. But then yeah, guys, I'm expecting some drawdown. So meaning that the market might be going to test my entry point or to test my support level. Once it's tested, that's guys, fully cool. I want coffee. I want coffee. I need to go make some coffee for myself. Uh, but then yeah, guys, do you guys have any other questions? I'm willing to answer any questions. If you want to know if I'm getting paid or why am I charging for free for my signals, everything. Like if you got any question on top of your mind, spit it out now, cause I want to make coffee and then I need to go live on my VIP group, not here. I do this just to show you guys, but I was thinking that sometime today, um, let's say I see a setup in the market that I want us to follow. I'll give out the signal to my VIP group, and just as I'm done giving out the signal, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna give you guys basically the signal, or I'm gonna be running through the trades with you guys. So yeah, I don't know if you guys like totally understand that, but so I gave out a signal now. It's in profits, not making crazy profits, but I can't give you guys a signal that's already running because now anything can happen, right? So I wouldn't want you guys to experience, losses at a place where I'm sure that it's not the right place to enter because my trades are way further down there. So now to make you guys enter here and my trades are here, isn't that a bit selfish? It is a bit selfish. So because if my trade is here and your trade is here, and I give you the trade and you enter here, even if you are making a loss, I'm still in profits. Making a loss is still I'm still until we get here. So then I start losing money when you get where I entered my trade. So I don't want to give out signals, guys, because I feel like the market is going up. Remember, when you're trading, it's more like okay, my surname is Kamete, okay? Maswazi Kamete. And Maswazi Kamete falls under Mtimande, Ngwenya, Bambolunye, Kasole, bonke labo bantu labo, all those people fall under my surname. And Ngwenya is a what? Is an alligator. So what does or how does the alligator hunt on for land animals or whatever, land whatever? You know, uh, Whenever an alligator is hunting, only shows nose, only eyes, waiting for the right moment to hunt on that shit. So if it comes closer to the water, whichever animal is trying to drink water, try to move swiftly as possible. So what am I telling you? Why am I talking about an alligator, but we're speaking about forex here? It's about getting your entry points. So an alligator doesn't make a sound, no sprinkle on the water, even though it's so fucking big, but it knows how to not even cause ripples. I mean, see those things when you drop something on the water, then it like opens up, opens up, opens up, opens up. Those are ripples. I think it's called ripples. You don't even see ripples when it's about to hunt on on whatever it wants to hunt on. So you should also be doing the same when you're trading. So when I'm specifically explaining it like that, then you should be able to also understand that. Just give me a minute. Something I want to see here. All right. So yeah, that's how you should trade. Never ever trade because you see the market already. Like that's basically gonna hurt you. You need to know how to see the market is changing. That's one of the most important parts of trading. See, guys, look, you know when it's going to change, right? So you know what you must see. So when you're driving, you get to the robot, you see a red, you know you must stop. You see a green, you know you must go. So you must be able to see the red and green in forest too. But you can't just do it off downloading the app on iOS or what's the shit on App Store or Play Store on Android. You can't just understand it because you just downloaded the app. There's things you need to study. There's a book that I can refer you to, and you can study that book. But one thing I know, I had the book when I was 17. The book only worked for me when I was 22. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm not trying to judge everybody off what I experienced, but I'm just trying to make an example that not all of us are readers. I'm also not a daily reader. I only started reading because I was interested in forex. That's the only thing that got me reading. I was not going to read Shakespeare. I was not going to read Othello. All those things. I was not going to read all those things. I wasn't interested in reading growing up. But Forex got me into reading because it was now aligning with me and what I want to do with my life. So that's what made me read books. Guys, I won't lie to you. Like, I think it's also important that when you're trading, read the books. So, and why do I say that the book is not going to work immediately? The book is not going to work immediately because you're looking for the answer. Do you understand me what I'm saying? Like you looking for the answer, you're looking for what's gonna make you understand what's the market gonna do next. The book is not gonna tell you that. The book is gonna make you stronger psychologically. So in order to be stronger psychologically, you need to have what? Physical experience. Physical experience is what? Is putting your money, losing, winning, whatever mistakes that you can possibly make. That is physical experience. So if you don't have physical experience, then it'll be hard for you to be mentally strong in the market. So if you're still a person who still plays around with the demo and gets money and gets afraid to fund and you do other things with the money, then there's still a long way forward. You need to take that risk. I promise you guys, like I think that's the breakthrough. Like the breakthrough too, it starts when you understand that, okay, I'm still a student. I just got 5,000 NSFAS and I just got 2,000 at home. So I have 7,000. You buy your groceries, you do this, you have this amount of money. So you know that if you catch your friends, that money can last you the whole month. So if you catch your friends and you invest in something, there is one place where you're gonna win. You have to win one place. If you cut something and you start investing somewhere, there's somewhere where you're gonna win. It's either where you're hustling, where in school, or you're gonna win where. Sorry, Ronnie. I'm not trading gold. Gold disappointed me 2 weeks ago, so I'm just out of it. I'm just been trading indices for now. So yeah. But two, I don't like trading gold. Why? Remember, guys, I'm a signal provider that's certified. I'm not a joke. I'm not saying I'm giving out signals. I'm not gonna give you a signal and just be like, buy Nasdaq and just look at you like that. I don't do that. I give you a signal. If you go to my YouTube right now, go look at my charts. Wusi Musi, I don't take any more multi guests. Um, if you go to my YouTube right now, you'll see the setup of the trade. You'll see it. It's written entry point, it's written stop line, it's written where to buy. It's showing the type of candle that I'm giving out. So when I give out my signal, it's the type of candle I'm seeing, it's the entry point, it's the stop line, it's the amount of loss I'm expecting to make. So that's how I feel like you should be giving out a signal to a client because I feel like it brings assurance that, okay, I see what this guy is trying to do. And then you also go to your chart and you put those lines and and you be like, okay, this guy has trapped the market in this place. So I know that if the market breaks below here, we're taking a loss. If it goes above here, we're making money. So just I'm not blaming, I'm not saying other people are not good signal providers, but if 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 you're smart enough, and I listen to Andrew Tate, so I don't know if there's any people who are against Andrew Tate, but I listen to the nigga. So one of the things that I listened to and I saw that they actually work, if you've been in an industry for way too long and you've been a customer in that industry, remember guys, you first become a customer. Okay? Even in university, you are still a customer because you're paying for that education until you become the educator. You understand? So I am still so before I was a customer too. I was buying, I was doing things. I wasn't live like this. I wasn't documenting my work and stuff like that. So when you are a customer, okay, when you are a customer, you are obliged to understand that all you are doing is just taking signals. So when you're a customer, you don't even know what is resistance and support. You've just heard it and you know that resistance is at the top, support is at the bottom. What I've discovered now as a trader, every candle has a resistance and support. And whenever I say that to other traders, they just smile. They're like, Hmm, you know. So it's like probably a thing that we all realize together as you take your time in trading. You realize it, that every single candle has a high and it has a low, resistance and support, and the market just only has to do one thing: break above or break below that candle. Like that's the whole fucking pattern of the market. Like, just hear me out. The market gives you signals, then after giving you signals, all it has to do is either go up or go down. So now you can make a prediction through terminology. What is terminology? Words or certain definitions that you can understand about the candles that you can apply physically on the chart. How do you analyze Nelson 100? When is it best time to do that? Shogi 222. I suggest trading Nelson 100 now in the morning and 2 o'clock afternoon. Exactly 2 o'clock to half past two. Get out. For me, that's what works. I don't. You see, for me now in the morning, I'm lucky. I just got a signal and it's going up. You know, I saw it and it's going up. Okay. So how do I trade? Uh, I understand candles. There's nothing else I understand besides candles. I won't lie to you. If like I don't like I've never had a mentor. I've never sat with these guys here, or I've just always been an odd guy. Just always been just doing shit by myself. So I've never had a mentor. So okay, not that I have friends overseas that I speak to. As I was growing up, I was helped by them. I wasn't taught trading by anyone in South Africa. The guy that I thought was helping me, I was helping him. So yeah, bullshit. So when you see someone because they have money, only just to find out later with how it's shameless, doesn't even know how to trade. He's just chanting, because he's doing something else in life, but using trading as what. you know. So I've never, never, ever, ever, ever in my life had a mentor, somebody who's guiding me and stuff like that. So from what I learned from my niggas from Croatia and Denmark, just know the candles. Like you need to know how to see the candles. Like you can even go and study them right now. Like candlesticks, definitions, and all those things. You can go and study. There's no problem. But I'm sure you won't read the whole document. I read the whole document. Why? Like, why am I saying that? Because I know reading deserves hunger. If there's no hunger to read that book, you're not gonna read it. If you're not gonna read the beginning of it and the end of that book, then you're not gonna understand what the fuck was the point of the book. So that's why I'm telling you that there are so many documents online that you can use for trading, but you will not finish the book because you're not that hungry. You are looking to make quick money on the side and go to work while you're making money. Here, there's no such. There's no such. A real millionaire is always working, whether he's working home like this or he's working out in Dubai, working out anywhere. But one thing I know that if you are making money, you're always working. There is no sleeping day. Whether you're a director or what, you need to be watching certain things. You're always working. You're always closing deals. You're always negotiating new deals, negotiating new wages for your clients, all those things. Like, yeah, you're always busy. So, one thing I know that is don't think that it's going to be easy. So, I trade candles. I've never had a mentor. Uh, if if you guys don't realize, I'm not even big on Instagram. If you go and look at my Instagram, I'm not big. I don't have 5,000, 10,000 followers. Um, you have already analyzed Nest 100. I'm trading US30, which moves almost the same way. But yeah, I've already analyzed. I'm done, and I've already entered. And it's too late for you guys to enter now. Uh, I'm not that selfish. I'm not gonna give you a signal that's already moving. But I just said to them that today I'll be giving all my signals here. So meaning that I'm not saying that I'm going to be live for the whole day, but I'm just saying that I'm going to be giving my signals here all day long. So since I'm going to be giving signals here all day long, uh, I don't need to smoke a plant, you know. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I've already analyzed, guys, and I'm already holding a buy. I gave out the signal in the VIP group, and yeah, we're pushing. Yeah, we're pushing, guys. So I'm in profit right now, and yeah, about to close in that minor 400, 500. Hey, how's it, Duran? Hope you're good, brother. Sorry, my man, I got your messages, just that I had a problem with my phone on Monday, Sunday, and Saturday. So I was going to get it fixed yesterday, but I wasn't successful. So I'm just using it the way it is right now until I have funds to buy a new phone. Because it's not damaged or anything, just that my screen is not looking good. It's not cracked or anything. Just the screen has lines here on the side, which are fucking irritating me. But yeah, other than that, I am still around. Guys, I need to make my coffee now. I'll see you guys. Please like and follow if you want the signals and stuff. But yeah, we are doing well so far. I gave out the signal this morning. I told you guys if you want to see my charts, go to my YouTube. I'm live there. So if you go to my YouTube, the link is on my bio. That same link on my bio has everything. YouTube, US30 Michael, but I'm not telling you to do anything right now. The signal is not active. Nothing is active right now. Ayabonga, is that you? The one and only Ayabonga I was speaking to. Yoshana Sekai, is it? Is that you? The one that just followed now. If that's you, my brother, salute. Um, so yeah, guys, I've already given out a signal. But guys, please don't be those people who trade because you see me talking about Nasdaq. Okay, mistake. Mistake, Ayabonga. There's a 17-year-old here around my house who wants to work with me. So I thought it was him who's already following me here on TikTok because I gave him my profile too. So yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm about to close off my thing. I want to have a coffee, and my mom has a pro. That guy, I have the. Let me see when parents get old, they get fucked up here. My mom has a problem with me right now. If you are in South Africa, you should know that it's still dark. I don't know about other provinces, but in Durban, it's still dark outside. So I usually take my mom, even though it's windy or what, but I still I wake up and smoke first, that shit gets me pissed off. So yeah, I'm about to do that now. I'm about to put on my gown, make my coffee, and step outside. I want to hear what she's gonna say. But yeah, guys, I'm not giving out the signal now. It's not safe to do that. I'm not that savage. I'm not gonna make you trade a signal that's already gone. Like if I count the amount of pips I'm moving up right now, let me go to my chart. Ma, ka, ka. Hey guys, always be shouting in the morning. You check what makes the stock move in the morning. I don't know. Guys, I don't know anything about trading. Eh? I'm not. I'm not one of those guys who like does. I don't know what makes it move in the morning, but obviously we all know what makes it move in the afternoon. Uh, it's the opening of the doors. There's always a lot of fundamentals at that time, and it's also the morning in the USA at that time. Guys, by the way, I have two clients in the USA that are trading under me. Now I just want to see how many pips I'm up and why I just feel like giving 20,000 pips on the US30. Imagine that. My entry point is at, let me expand the screen. My entry point is at $39,042. That's my entry point, $39,042. And right now the market is at $39,253. So I'm up 20,800 pips. So you coming to take a trade now. Imagine the difference. All right, guys, continue holding your buys. Continue holding your buys. Yes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go make a coffee now. I'm gonna be live later on. Take care, okay? All right, you register my broker and your account, and you've done that to gain access to my event. Before you please allow me to give you a call so that you can understand how to Continue holding your eyes while still in profit. So if you profit, you need to come. You need to register value. You need to line register line. Alright, guys, that was a nice signal given. Entry point is given. You can see how the signal is stretching out. That was US30 in the morning, guys. I'm a hashtag of US30.